Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given if x minus y is equal to 1, x power 5 minus y power 5 is x square y square plus xy plus 4. Find x power 9 minus y power 9 now. So, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you do this problem? So like this logical, critical and tough problems, Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So here like this only new problems will be uploaded. So first of all we will go to the solution. Somewhat time taking, long question. You have to watch till the end. Very interesting problem. So what is given? First of all, x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y value is 1 now. So squaring on both sides, what will get? X minus y whole square is equal to 1 square. So you can write it as x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 1. So this can be written as x square plus y square is equal to 2xy plus 1. Let it be third one. First one and second one are given. This is first one. This is the second one. Now the same you are taking again. This is only the logic in this problem. Again you are taking cubing on both sides. So what is the reason here why you are taking cubing on both sides? In the next step you will get the idea why you are taking cubing on both sides. So here x minus y whole cube is equal to 1 cube. So what will get here? X cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube is equal to 1. So this can be written as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 1. Why? Because x minus y value is 1 now. From first one this value is 1. So this can be written as x cube minus y cube is equal to 1 or 3xy plus 1. Let it be 4. So you got equation 3 and equation 4. So why you are taking this means here our target is you have to find x power 5 minus y power 5. So we are going to multiply now. So 3 and 4. Multiplying 3 and 4. So what will get if you multiply 3 and 4? LHS x square plus y square into x cube minus y cube is equal to RHS 2xy plus 1 into 3xy plus 1. So LHS and RHS we are multiplying. So here what will get if you multiply x to the power of 5 minus x square y cube plus x cube y minus y to the power of 5 is equal to 6x square y square plus 2xy plus 3xy plus 1 now. If you multiply, you will get the values like this. So here we want x power 5 minus y power 5 value. So here you can take x square y square common. X square y square common. Here you will get x minus y. So in the RHS 6x square y square, both are like terms, plus 5xy plus 1. So this value is x minus y value, already you know it is 1. X minus y value is 1. So x to the power of 5 minus y to the power of 5 is equal to, so taking x square y square that side, 6x square y square minus x square y square will get 5x square y square plus 5xy plus 1 now. So here from this let it be 5. So the second one is given, x power 5 y power 5 value is given. In the second one, x power 5 y power 5 value is x square y square plus xy plus 4, that we are using now. So in the place of x power 5 y power 5 I am writing x square y square plus xy plus 4 is equal to 5x square y square plus 5xy plus 1 now. Now sending all the terms to this side. So 5x square here, x square y square, sending all the terms to that side. You will get 4x square y square. Next xy we are sending that side, plus 4xy plus 1 now. So I am keeping 4 this side only. Now 4 is equal to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, you will get 2xy plus 1 whole square. 2xy plus 1 whole square. So you can write it as 2xy plus 1 is equal to square root of 4, that is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Now we will divide the page into two parts. So you can write it as 2xy is equal to 2 minus 1. Other case 2xy is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So xy value is 1 by 2. Here xy value is minus 3 by 2. So here you are getting two cases. So going to first case, xy value is 1 by 2. So you have to find x power 9 y power 9. So what you have to get here, x cube minus y cube is equal to x cube minus y cube, you got 3xy plus 1 now. So 3xy plus 1 means xy value is 1 by 2 plus 1 from the fourth equation now. So here 3 by 2 plus 1, you will get the value 5 by 2. So cubing on both sides, x to the power of 9 minus y to the power of 9 minus 3x cube y cube. Cubing on both sides, x cube minus y cube is equal to 125 by 8. So here x power 9 minus y power 9 minus 3 into xy value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube into 5 by 2 is equal to 125 by 8. So here if you take this term to that side, x power 9 minus y power 9 is equal to 125 by 8. 125 by 8. Here you will get positive value plus 5 3s are 15. 15 by 16 now. 15 by 16. If we take LCM, here you will get 250 plus 15 by 16 now. So the answer is 265 by 16 now. X power 9, y power 9 value got 265 by 60 now. So if you take second case, case 2. So in this case 2, xy value is minus 3 by 2. So you got xy value here 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So you are taking the second case. So 3 by 2. So what you are getting here? X cube minus y cube is equal to 3 into minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 9 by 2 plus 1. You will get minus 7 by 2. Now cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. X to the power of 9 minus y to the power of 9 minus 3x cube y cube into x cube minus y cube is equal to minus 343 by 8. So here x to the power of 9 minus y to the power of 9 minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube minus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 343 by 8. So x power 9 minus y power 9 is equal to minus 343 by 8 plus 567 by 60 now. So if you take LCM here, so you will get answer. If you take LCM, you will get 686 minus 686 plus 567 by 16. So the value is minus 119 by 60 now. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends.